Welcome to the rounding video, round 2. 588. We're rounding it to the nearest 10, so I need to underline everything up to the tens place. And since I'm not using that 500 for right now, I'm going to use my high-tech digit blocker and put it out of view. I need to come up with my number line. 88 is in between. It's more than 80, less than 90. 88 is somewhere between 80 and 90. Right in between 80 and 90 is 85. I know that 88 is more than 85, so it's somewhere up here, which means it's going to round to 90. But again, our number isn't really 88, it's 588. So let's add that 500 back. 588 would round to 590. Okay, big number, ooh, and we're rounding to the nearest 100. We're rounding to the nearest multiple of 100, not tens anymore. So I'm gonna underline everything up to the hundreds place. Boom, up to the hundreds place. I don't need this 1,000 right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and hide that. Just cover it up for now. 482. Now, I'm doing multiples of hundreds this time. So with my number line, what multiples of 100 is 482 in between? Well, 482 is more than 400, less than 500. Those are the hundreds that surround 482. Halfway between 400 and 500 is 450. All right, and so now I see that 482 is more than 450, so it's gonna be somewhere up there. Boom. If it's more than 450, we know that it's gonna round to 500. But my number is not really 482, it's 1,482. So we gotta add that 1,000 in. We see that 1,482 rounds to 1,500. Let's use the same number, but we're gonna round to the nearest multiple of 10 this time. Okay, so I'm gonna underline everything up to the tens place. And I see that I'm using the 82. I can cover up the 1,400. I'm not using that right now. Okay, 82 is in between 80 and 90, and right in the middle is 85. Boom. 82 is less than 85, so then it must round to 80. But that's 82 is rounding to 80, so that means 1,482 would round to 1,480. Awesome. So I noticed that when we rounded to the nearest 100, it rounded to 1,500. When we rounded to the nearest 10, it was a different number. 1,480. So depending on what you're rounding to, nearest 10, nearest 100, your answer might change. Round to the nearest 100 again. So I'm gonna underline up to the hundreds place. Pushing, that's the whole number. I am looking for what is 750 in between. Well, it's more than 700 and less than 800. Boom. Right in the middle of 700, 800 is 750. Wait, hold up. That's my number. So if my number is 750, and that's also the middle number, we're just gonna round that bad boy up. So it always rounds up. When you're in the middle, always round up. So 750 rounds to 800.